Everyone, repeat the same process of tying your hair in the form of a ponytail and then rolling the rest of the part of the hair around the circular part of the rubber band. Repeat the same process, then tie the lower end, roll it upwards and then secure it with the help of a back pin just like this. Make a lower ponytail, secure it in with the help of a back pin from the lower side, insert a 5-leg Juda pin inside the rubber band and then you are done. The same process is repeated one after the other, just with a few differences. The above part is rolled, pushed inside and held properly with the help of a Juda pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, insert it through the gap, roll it around the upper part, take the rest of the part, tie it again and then secure it properly with the help of a back pin just like this. Take your hair and then insert it inside the rubber band just like this. Take the upper part of the hair, roll it downward, secure it properly with the help of a Chuda pin. Thank you for watching.